Hi everyone, this is Erin from Sandpaper Road, and today I'm going through my stash and seeing if I can come up with my own 6x6 paper pack to use later on in the year. And this is a great way to go through using up your scraps and your stash and just giving yourself a little bit of a mental fresh start and get you ready to make projects. Sometimes it's hard, especially in the season transition. You sit down to do something and you feel like you have to start the season by going through all your scraps. So if you're ever in a crafting rut, this is a great, oh, sorry about the glare. If you're ever in a crafting rut, this is a great way to make use of your time and your resources. Yeah, sorry about that glare. Let's see what I can do here about that. How's that? So what I do when I just generally store stuff, and this is going to be a super quick video, is I have basically two ways I do stuff. I have a few of these envelopes that are clear, not a whole lot of them, and I just throw my junk in there. Stickers and strips and just pieces when I'm done. But sometimes what I do is I'll, let me show you on this one. Like if I cut something out of it, then I'll just stick it right back in the paper pack and store the paper pack like seam side on the bottom. And you can see I kind of did it with this one. This is pretty realistic. I just toss it in there. So I thought that what I would do is start with my scraps, start with my patterns. And this is actually what caught my eye is I saw these pages that I had cut. They were 12 by 12 from this Heidi swap pack from a couple years back. And I had saved the other 6 by 12 piece for something. And I was so glad I did. And I thought, well, dang, I could probably make a 6 by 6 paper pad out of that. They all go together. If I just cut it in half, I'd have, probably a third of a paper pad right there. So that's where this idea came from. And I bet many of you do this anyway, but sometimes you forget about the things you already know. So I just thought I'd bring it to your attention. And this is how I'm doing. I'm sort of mid-process. And this is not from that paper pack. It was from something else. Because while I was at it, I thought, ooh, let me pull out my other Christmas stuff and see. This one I had already been through and pulled out the scraps. And this one I had already been through. I'll put the links in the description box. I'll see if I can still find these paper packs. If not, I'll leave links to the manufacturers' websites if I can find them, okay? Just to give you some reference. And I'm just working with Christmas today because it was on my mind, but you could do anything. And I will stress that I'm only doing paper today. I'm not trying to make little kits with embellishments and stickers and the whole nine. I'm just trying to turn this into something that makes me want to use it. Because this kind of stuff bothers me. I like to sit down and have everything brand new. So this is my plain colored paper, and I found, did I find a white one? I thought I just had it sitting right here. It probably got shot. Oh, I see it. I see it on the bottom. Yeah, I found this. Now this is only one, but I could certainly cut it into a 6 by 6, and most of these end up to be 2, but that's fine. And there was another one I wanted to show. Oh yeah, this one. When I cut it, it was like this or whatever, and when I cut it, it still had the circle, and I almost didn't put it in my little DIY paper pack. I thought, oh well, no, I will, because that'll still blend in, and I'll put this one in, and then I found some other coordinating colors that I'll cut down to 6 by 6, but it's totally up to you. My advice is to keep, these are all single-sided papers, and so I'm going to keep single-sided with single-sided, and then I actually found this in my stash, this cut this way. I think this might be from Stampin' Up. And so I'm going to keep double-sided packs together and single-sided packs together. And I think that will make me feel good all the way around. I'll know. And I also realized that quart-sized freezer bags, the quart size, it's not the brand I'm as much concerned about, but the size. The quart size fit a 6 by 6 stack very nicely. And let's see, if your bags come with a little label, you can put them in, like I'm going to put them in so the label's this way, and then I can see when I'm writing this way. A double-sided, you'd have to kind of be mindful, but I could put Christmas as if I didn't know that was Christmas. So that's it. Like I said, this is going to be a short video. Oh, Like this is something else. This might glare like crazy, but like this is a huge, huge paper. And, you know, I always look at it and think, oh, I could totally use that. But I don't use it as much as I want. So I think what I'll do is cut some pieces. I'll cut 2 6x6s and put it in there. Sometimes I watch the unboxing videos of other YouTubers, and I love that. That's so fun for me to watch. And it makes me think, well, I could do my own little personal unboxing, and what a great reveal for myself in a few months when I open up this paper pack and forget what I did right now. So just a little tip, organizational tip, especially if you're in a crafting rut, and hope you enjoyed this little tip and trick today. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Sandpaper Road on YouTube. And don't forget to click the little bell to receive the notifications. Visit sandpaperroad.com for some more close-up photos and some links to some products. And you can follow Sandpaper Road on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. And a complete list of items used in this project will try to be in the description box. I'll do my best to find at least the manufacturer's websites. And thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye-bye.